Hi, so here is the review of a remote control test for head unit for BMW 3 Series e46 model. I have installed into 5 Series BMW model, but all connections are the same and it works perfectly. So you can control pretty much all the functions which are here, plus many more extras which you cannot find from a head unit. So here is the infrared lead. It's connected at the back of the unit into the special infrared jack, and here is the remote control, and just quick test for some major functions. Next, and the zoom, for example. Unfortunately, those units you cannot change picture size if you play DVD or TV tuner. They all have 16 by 9 rate of this picture, so only with this remote control you can change the size of the picture for DVD or for TV tuner. Like this, and of course you can choose any other option. Many different functions have this remote control. Thank you for watching.